Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and use our expense tracker templates in Google Sheets. To access our templates you simply go to app.sheetgo.com/templates, there we go. We now arrive in the SheetGo web application where you can create a new workflow from a blank canvas or choose to use one of our templates that are pre-made for you and customizable, ready to use. Let me show you today the expense tracker. So this is like an automated dashboard to keep track of your sales data. As you can see here, you have some extra information, how the system looks like, the individual expenses from each of your departments will flow automatically using SheetGo in your master spreadsheet. It automatically installs inside your Google Drive when you click on Use Template. Let's do so. Here we go, it's now installed, so we can see how the system looks like on this network view. You see that this will all be stored inside the expense tracker folder in your Google Drive. Inside that folder you have the master spreadsheet, Teams Expense Tracker, and the folder Team Expenses Spreadsheets, which holds the several different spreadsheets of your department's expenses. So let's open each one of these and show you how it works. As you can see, we're now inside my Google Drive, and inside the SheetGo templates folder we find the expense tracker, and we are now inside the Teams Expenses Spreadsheets folder where we will find the individual spreadsheets for each of your team departments. So let me open one of this and show you what it looks like, how you can use it. Voila, we're now in an individual expense tracker, so just simply give it your own name, Valentine Expense Tracker, for example. And it starts with some initial instructions on how to use the template. It tells you to simply fill out your expenses in the Expenses tab. So you fill out the date of the expense, the description, what it was, the invoice number, the amount, of course, what type it was, you can find here in the drop-down menu. And here you can put the link to the digitalized receipt. What this template also has is an individual dashboard for each member to track their individual expenses. So here it's easy to see how many you spend per type of expense, how much you spend per month and per day. And then, of course, once everyone has filled this out, and you simply go back to the SheetGo web application, click on this play button to run the workflow. It will automatically update the connection between these separate spreadsheets into the master file. And then you will find all the information in this consolidated expenses tab. So here everything will merge together in this one tab. And you simply have a dashboard. And you simply have a dashboard to track the expenses of each team, of everybody. So you can see, of course, how it's going and how well you are running your budget, of course. And here you can select from how many days back you want to see the information. So this is how our team expense tracker works. If you have any questions about this template, please comment below and make sure to watch our other videos and try out our other templates that can for sure help you with your finance, marketing, sales department. We have it all covered for you. Thank you.